Hi, my name is Rebecca, how you know, and I wanna do a different video today. People tell me that I have, especially my girls, tell me that I have a nice skin. I'm 64 years old. I'm older, and I am cancer survivor 2008, and I lost my hair, my eyebrows, and my nails, everything. But for the grace of God, I'm here. And this is very exciting for me because this is the first time that I do it, that I'm showing people what I do in the morning. Okay, this is essential oil, and it's for the face. I prepare it. I'm going to give you another tutorial to how to prepare this, and I'm going to take my glasses because I'm going to start right away. Okay, I'm going to take my glasses. I don't see anything without, but it's okay. And I want to explain little to you how I do this. So now I put my essential oil, couple drops in my hand. I rub my hands like that, giving some warmth, and then put it in my face. After be washed with a nice and gentle soap for face. And I'm going to start counting 1, 2. Those are the areas of the sinuses, and I suffer with sinuses who doesn't. 5 times doing this with the fingers, with the tip of the fingers. After that, I will do it around my mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I come in my neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times, and now I come in the back of my neck. 1, 2, 5 times. 3, 4. This has to be very slow, very relaxed. 5, and now I will go in my shoulder down and kind of cleaning up my hands with the oil. The oil is so good, and finishing with my hands right there. Feels so good, so fresh. This is what I do every day in the morning, and also I do it in the night. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye.